to Life in High Definition. How are we all doing? I hope you are okay and enjoying your weekend, or at least it's the weekend when I record this. Imagine if I get it up and it's not Monday yet. We can hope. I am here to do another unboxing. You've seen the picture, you've seen the title, so you know we're here for Birchbox. You go, girl or boy or anyone who gets this box, man, woman, fish, whoever likes Birchbox beauty. This box is $12.95. I'll put my code at the bottom. You can use if you want or not, your choice. But as always, don't pay full price. I love to cancel and reorder Birchbox because either you get it at a discount, like right now. If you buy it at this time of the month, you can get it for £5 plus P&P. Why don't they just do that every month for loyal subscribers, eh? Or if you ordered it like I did at the beginning of the month, you get a free product inside, which is always a bonus. So if you want to see what is in this box, and you may have seen it before, but I'm going to put the stuff on my face, that's why I look like this, then I'd love it if you could give me a thumbs up, ring that notification bell, because you don't want to miss when I upload, do you? Okay, maybe you do, but just ring it anyway. It's just helpful admin. You can also share this video when you're done, and most of all, subscribe. Join the High Def family. It's worth it. All right, let's get into the video. Birchbox has actually been pretty good the last few months, so I am thinking we're going to be okay. Really quite like this packaging. They always do really good box packaging, you know. Nice, and because it's a slidey drawer, you can reuse it, stack things. It's brilliant. I have them in my bedroom. When I open my box, I get this. Here you go. Now, the thing that I got for free for ordering, you know, cancel, reorder, whatever, is this from Incredible, the people who make the nail polish, like nails ink, but now they do other makeup stuff as well. And this is called Jelly Shot, and it's a lip balm, and it's called It Was Only a Kiss, enhanced with avocado oil. Now, the big thing about these products is they always have a flower in them, and they always do this at the bottom so you can like see what it is. And the one on the image was not cloudy, it was see-through. It looks like if you touched it, it would wobble, but this doesn't wobble. So if I rub away sort of the cloudy effect, can you see that better now? So it's a little bit disappointing actually, because I thought I was going to be able to see my flower straight away. But as a colourless lip balm, it's pretty nice. So, see, no colour, just shine. Doesn't really smell of anything. And an extra product never goes amiss in my eyes. That's £8. £8 for a lip balm. I would not be paying that. But hey, I have beauty boxes. I don't need to buy another lip balm ever again. So, what do Birchbox have to say for themselves for March? Whether you're juggling career ladder climbing and an active social life, or balancing frantic school runs with looming deadlines, us ladies are pretty incredible. This month we're leaning into multitasking mode and celebrating the beauty products that will help make your busy life a little easier. Just remember, whatever this crazy world throws at us, you go, girl. So let's go into the makeup. Well, actually this is skincare, and I've had one of these before, but was it from Birchbox? I can't remember. I'm sure I've seen a couple of people complaining that this is a duplicate product from before. So this is from Daily Concepts for individuals who think in the shower. It's a multifunctional soap sponge with charcoal. Soap on the outside, sponge on the inside. What? Isn't it sponge on the outside, soap on the inside? It exfoliates, detoxes and balances for all skin types. It is as clean as a state of mind. Well, it's not a state of mind, it's an actual fact. If you clean yourself, you're clean. It's not a state of mind. This 2-in-1 soap sponge combines a detoxifying charcoal cleanser with a gentle exfoliating sponge, so you can skip a step in your skincare routine. Wet the sponge, squeeze it to create a foam, then lather up. The charcoal will gently purify and balance all skin types. After rinsing clean, bask in a squeaky clean feeling. So it looks like this, charcoaly, kind of looks spongy and textured here. It is useful to do in the shower, easier than the one I use at the moment that I have to put on a cloth or I put on my face spinny brush thing. So this is actually quicker and easier, and I do like it for that. Husband also finds this easy to use instead of having to remember which bottle is the cleanser. So if it's a duplicate, that's not great, but for me personally, I'm okay because I actually liked it. I don't know if my face felt squeaky clean, but it felt clean. It felt just the same as when I use any other cleanser pretty much. There you go. This is something new and different. Haven't had it before, didn't even know it existed. It's from GlamGlow. You know, the ones who make the cool masks and now make cleansing products and all kinds of things. Moisturisers and, is that it? Cleansers, moisturisers and stuff. Anyway, they make some good stuff. This is their tropical cleanse, which is why we have all the fruit and the nice bright packaging. A daily exfoliating cleanser. Reboot your skin with this exfoliating cleanser powered by superfruits infused with acai, goji berries, purple clay and green tea leaf. It will deeply cleanse and buff away dull skin cells to reveal your best ever glow. Having tried some of their cleansers before, often you can use them to take makeup off, but this one you can't. GlamGlow always do fairly small samples. I don't know why, because it would be nice to have a bit more to try. I tried cleansers and masks and moisturisers and I like them all. Oh look, it's like a sort of browny, muddy, purpley mud thing. Just smells kind of cleany, kind of antiseptic-y, you know, like it's going to do something for your skin rather than fruity. I thought it might smell fruity because it's tropical. And it's great for a normal combination, dry and oily skin, so everyone can have a go with this. Next up we have this, and this is our sneak peek from last month. This is Generation Clay UltraViolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask, and I'm going to have to show you what this looks like on my face at some point. Nourish, Brighten, Radiance, Refine, made with Davidson Plum. Oh, don't know what that is. It's also cruelty free. I really enjoy the packaging. We had a choice between this one and the charcoal one, and because I have quite a few charcoal masks, I thought I would try the brightening mask instead. No, it's foiled. I'll show you in a small review video or something like that. Meet the next big thing in masking, packed with Australian superfruit Davidson Plum plus clay, obviously. Well, how obvious is that? I don't know. Oh, because it's called Generation Clay. Yeah, that is pretty obvious. Pretty obvious. With desert lime and aloe vera, it brightens, boosts hydration, reduces oil and minimises the appearance of pores. Ooh, when you buy the full pot they send it with an applicator brush. It's always nice. I like it when masks do that. It's got a lot of 5-star ratings, so hopefully it will be good. Little perfume sample. Love these. Daisy Love from Marc Jacobs. There is the packaging. It's the normal sample size, 1.2 ml in the little spray bottle. I'm so glad it's a spray bottle. I've already sprayed perfume on me today, so I put it on the card. It says, love fills the air with radiant florals and sparkling gourmand twist. What is a sparkling gourmand twist? Crystallized cloud breeze mingle with the sunny petals of a daisy, driftwood and cashmere musks. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, that's nice. That is like a bonus extra. Forget that passport and transport yourself to sun-drenched beaches with this fresh, vibrant fragrance. Spray it onto your pulse points and behind your ears. You know, the normal places somebody might sniff you, or you can waft by and smell gloriously expensive. Okay. Right, what is this in the bottom? This says, women need to support women. Yes. And support men, and men support women, and men support men. And boys support girls, and girls support boys. Let's just be supportive and kind to everyone. Good idea, right? Anyway, 15% off everything at the Birchbox shop, or 20% off everything for Birchbox VIPs. There you go. You can have that code and give it a go if you would like. In honour of International Women's Day and inspirational women everywhere, this March we're donating a beauty product to beauty banks for every order placed at the Birchbox shop. Beauty Banks provides people living in poverty with essential personal care and beauty items. Learn more at instagram.com/thebeautybanks. Doing a good thing for other people whilst getting your own beauty stuff at 15% off. That is actually quite an enticing deal. The other items that you've been waiting for. Why is your face still looking like this? Because I need some bronzer. And this is from the Beauty Crop, and they have done a special edition of their normal bronzer with Birchbox in this You Go Girl packaging. It's very shiny, it's very nice. I like this rose gold on the side. It's in Sardinia sand, and there was 2 different colours you could have received. Cheat a sun-kissed glow with this bronzer from the Beauty Crop, loaded with antioxidant rich green tea to energise and refresh the skin. This long-wearing formula lasts all day. Dust over cheeks with a big fluffy brush for a healthy glow all year round, or pat onto eyelids for a subtle touch of colour. Ooh, it's coming in bubble wrap inside. So hopefully it's not smashed or anything. Nice touch, Beauty Crop. Look at that, that's pretty fancy packaging. All holographic, multicoloured, I like it. And this is full size, and it looks like that. I can never tell if a colour's going to be right for me. I just put it on anyway. Maybe a little bit light. Hope it goes on better than that. Right, should give it a try. First, I'm going to take this brush, which I normally use with cream bronzers, but you know, I'm trying to contour a bit too. That's okay. I have no idea really how to use this brush, but this is what I do with it. I try and draw a line. Oh, so many reasons I don't do tutorials. So that is the product applied. Not necessarily well, but it's on my face. What do we think? A little bit of a dustiness in the pan, but it's okay. I like it. I wasn't sure if the colour was going to be right, but it is right for me, so that's good. So Tantalising is the next colour up from this. Well, they only seem to have 2 bronzer colours, apart from in a palette maybe. Yeah, so I think I'm okay with this one. I don't know, maybe I would have liked a slight different shade. I feel like I need some blush desperately. Some blush and some eyes. But yeah, I'm fairly happy with that. I think that's okay. Last item is this from Chella, brand I've never heard of, and it is an eyebrow thing. Tantalising Taupe eyebrow cream. So we're going to try it. Everyone gets Tantalising Taupe. It looks like there's no choice. Add wow to your brows with this dual-ended eyebrow cream. 1 part long-lasting cream and 1 part angled brush. It makes natural-looking brows easier to achieve than ever. Apply using small hair-like strokes, beginning in the middle of your brow, then finishing at the tail. Once it's set, it will last all day. So I guess we're trying it. So pull this end off and we have a brush. Oh, and the other end unscrews. Don't try yanking it. And in here you have a pot of eyebrow stuff. So stick my brush in. Comes out with a bit. Oh, yeah, a little bit does well. Okay, so don't press quite so hard. Start in the middle of your brow. Normally, I sort of sketch out my brow because, you know, I don't have that much eyebrow on the end. Give myself some idea of where I'm going to go. I'm not sure how I like this pot in the lid thing because I'm tending to jab in a bit harder. I'm not sure how this is going really. I feel like I need to outline it with pencil and then fill it in with this. I feel like I'm going over the top. I feel like I've definitely got a more faded in brow than what I normally do, so maybe that's good. Let's try the other side. The one thing I am quite pleased about is the colour. I don't really think of taupe or taupe or however you say it. Taupe? I think it's taupe. I wouldn't have said it was my colour, but their version of taupe seems to be fine. I feel like it's giving me a very natural brow, as much as, you know, creating a brow that isn't there can be natural. The only problem is if you get a kind of clumpy bit, then you have to be careful because then you end up with extra dark lines like what I've got. So it might be worth going through it with like a spoolie afterwards just to finally blend it together, you know? Okay, I've checked in with husband and I'm going to stop there because otherwise I'll just keep trying to perfect and not getting anywhere because my eyebrows are just not the same. Anyone else really stress over their brows? So wish that I could get microblading. That's what I would do. I would say if I won the lottery, I'd be down that microblading place ASAP. Now, if you look at this brush, now I've been using it, I don't know if you can see, it's kind of clumping together. It's not as brushy as it was. It would have been nice if this came with a spoolie as well, but I guess, you know, the product being in the lid, that wouldn't really work. Right, I am going to go away, add everything up, finish my eyes, and I'll be back. So I am back and finished. Still waiting for my hair to dry, give it a bit of body, but hopefully this all looks a bit more together now. Makes a bit more sense, everything melded or something like that. So total value of this box is £39.65, which is pretty good. Pretty good. Plus the extra £8 for the other product is £47.65, but we'll just stick with the one that most people will have got. So 40 quid, pretty much 3 times the box cost. So I think that is more than acceptable. As for the products, these are all new things to me. I've not had the Beauty Crop bronzer. Chella is a complete new brand. Generation Clay, complete new brand. The sponge, I'm not sure about. GlamGlow, you know, new product, and Daisy Love, new product. So I think Birchbox have done a pretty good job this month. Does it make me say you go girl? It makes me scented and nice and I guess prepared for the world. So yeah, I guess kind of, it's not as a specific criteria as making you a powerful woman. Just saying go be yourself or something. I don't know, what is it saying? I like it. I think this box is nice. I'm enjoying the new products that I've tried. April sneak peek. If you don't want to know, close your ears. Pick your estate baked highlighter, Afterglow or Lit. It's vegan, it's cruelty free and paraben free. That's what we like to hear. These are the colours. I'm going to go for the golden one because I'm not sure how the pink one would suit me. But they're very, very, very candy colours, aren't they? I'm not sure if they're going to be for everyone, but you know, maybe they will. Maybe they'd look better on than in the pot. Do let me know down below what you thought of this month's Birchbox. What do you think of the products applied? Give me any tips you want, as long as you say it kindly, because you know, my ego is small but fragile. Until I see you in next month's Birchbox, I hope you take care of yourselves and find something positive in every day. Oh, just go watch another one of my videos. That'll entertain you. All right, bye guys. This is, how much is this? I can't remember how much this box is. Here you go, full face for you. Full face? Full box? I don't know, what am I saying? Let's see what Birchbox say this month. What do Birchbox have to say for themselves for March? Normal places that somebody might swift you? No. With Birchbox in this giving myself a bit of definition. There is a jawline there somewhere. It's just hiding under the fat. Or should I say last product, if I can find it. La la la. Losing the products. It's not a way to be speedy. I'll catch you my hair in my mirror. Is wasting all my time. Gonna be in big trouble. My mum's gonna be mad. Poor husband is waiting patiently. Where the bloody hell is it? Just had it a second ago. I literally had it. There it is. Little bastard fell on the floor. If I can get it open. What would I do without teeth? I mean, that would be generally quite a big problem, wouldn't it? It's not a good question. So, do let me know down below what you thought of this month's birth. Do let me know down